back at day 2 of Westside Card Show, and we ended the day off with more fire deals. In this video, I picked up another minty poncho Charizard with a stack of vintage heat, but this may have been my unluckiest day yet because I lost almost every coin flip. Watch until the end to see what happens, and
GOATED PULLZ. I hate that card.
I'll value it at 250 though. PSA is like
Let me check.
325. But there's a little flaw in it. But I'm gonna throw the greater guard on it.
What? It's cracked? It's cracked?
It's a little chip.
What's your Instagram? Is it Kilo?
Yeah. That's here?
I'll do 0 or 400 on that, and then I'll do 77, 79 on this.
Okay, I'll do 400 here, we do 78, 79 here. I mean, regardless, it's only $12 and I'm gonna get it reslap right
0 or 300, and I'll do 78, 79.
now. Oh, my God. Oh my God. Now I'm gonna have to own you. I know you have to own me. Oops. Hold on. I just want to.
Kilo.
Here, let's with this separately right now. 0 or 4. Fine.
Well, that's conditional.
No, this is different. This is different right now.
What do you want to do on that?
You're gonna get this.
Is that a Rolex? It's got a Rolex too? Holy I'm a pigeon, bro. My watch only like 6K. It's like 15 grand. This view is worth more than this. Okay, 0 or 400.
Yeah.
I keep the guard.
Yeah. That's why I brought you the guard.
0 or 400 BGS 10 Pikachu. Call it in the air. All right, ready? Heads, tails. I don't want to crack the meal, so we're gonna put it over here. Ready? Wherever it lands.
Nose. Yeah, baby. I told you. I told you, baby. Four is crazy.
I feel like I'm gonna lose back to back right now.
Run it.
You want just a 78 no flip?
78, 79.
No. I'll do 77, 79, or just 78.
Okay, 78, 78, 50.
No. He knows I'm gonna lose right now.
I'm gonna get at least 78 minimum. Okay, then get 78 then. You have 78. Straight that.
Yeah, no flip 78. Cash.
Just check. 78. Alright, fuck it. Whatever, just 70. Good for him.
No flip.
I already know what you're doing.
Let's just see what happens. Just for fun.
I go?
Yeah.
You're gonna lose if you call.
Just for fun. Call it.
I told you I was gonna go tails. I was gonna go tails. I already knew you were gonna get hit. Well, see, I'm glad I did 78 then.
All right, picking up this, just a little Legendary Treasures Mew PSA 10. You know, no big deal. PSA 10 for 7,800 cash. Thank you, bro. How you doing, man?
What's going on, brother? Love your videos, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Anything you're looking for, brother?
I really like this Pikachu right here.
Cash or trade?
I can do both.
Okay. Oh, that guard top's nice. You got that one recently?
Right now.
I love that card.
Underrated.
That's the Eclipse card? That looks clean with the Eclipse card. That looks clean with that. I love this card. You want that?
I asked him to. Does it come with the guard? He said, yeah. I was like, okay. Yeah, I like that Pikachu. I have vintage.
Graded or raw?
Graded.
Whatever you're willing to trade, let me know. Okay. What was your name, bro?
Fernando.
Fernando, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Arvin. Wow, this in a PSA 10 is like 10 grand. It's pop 22, the for Alligator 5.
Yeah, that's crazy, huh?
PSA 9, it's like 500 to 700. 900, what? Do you know what you want to value these at? So I know the gold bat is really hard to move.
Oh, really?
I mean, yeah, it's not a very... It's a gold bat.
Yeah.
It's not Blastoise or Charizard or Dragonite or...
Most recent did 900?
Yeah, I know. The ones before that were like 450.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like we might be too far off because,
Okay.
I mean, if unless you want 900, I can't give you 900 market on that.
Yeah.
I'd be closer to like the 450, 500 on that. But this, I could do around 6. Comps are like 5 to 700 on this. Do you have cash for the difference?
Yeah,
Or what were you thinking? This plus how much for this? Yeah. 80% would be 480 on this. I value this at around 17, but you can shoot me an offer.
Are you going to be here tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be here until Sunday.
Yeah, I'll bring my bigger cards tomorrow. We can definitely do a deal.
That's fine.
How much is the browser?
5 to 700. 480, 80% is 480. I want to be at 17 on this, but open to offers. My offer to you is basically give me 1,200 plus the for alligator for the Pikachu.
I have like 2 smaller vintage. These right here. I don't think they'll move the needle too much. But
I could check. I mean, it'll get your number down a little bit, like the cash amount. Machamp, 190, 200. It's like a $200 card. So 80% is 160. So plus 160 for the Machamp. Let's see what the Scyther's at. This does 425, 325, 365, 360, 370, 310. 360 is pretty fair market. Yeah, there's like 2K in a PSA 10. What's 80% of 360? 3K, 30 or 300, 300. Give me 750, I'll do it. 750 cash plus these 3 for that.
without the guards.
Yeah, that's fine. Keep the guards. I'm fine. I don't need the guards.
Can you do 700?
Want a coin flip? 7 or 800?
I always lose on those coin flips, man. Yeah, I know you probably have like an 80% win rate.
No, I actually I lose a lot of times. Most of the times, actually, I feel like.
You just post like the wins? Or?
No, I post them all. I feel like I lose like 60%.
Really?
If I had to say overall, yeah. I don't know. I'll just make it easy. 7 or 750. How about that? My number, your number. 750, 700.
All right.
That's cool. Okay. Fernando. All right, Fernando is trading in 3 first edition WotC PSA 9s. There's a Alligator 5 first edition. This card in the PSA 10 is like 10 grand, but it's really hard to grade. It's pop 22 and a 10. But this is about like 600 bucks. And then we got the Dark Machamp first edition and the Rocket Scyther PSA 9 first edition. And then he wants the Chinese Pikachu, really nice card. 5th anniversary, and we're gonna coin flip 700 or 750 cash. You ready, bro?
Yep.
This is heads, this is tails. Call it in the air, bro. Good luck.
Tails.
Got it. GG's. 700.
That shit landed on heads and then it just...
Did it? It fell down?
Yeah. Man, bro.
Got lucky, bro. It was destiny. All right, what was your name?
Tyler.
Tyler? Thank you so much, bro. This is $275 for you. He's also taking the Alakazam. $275 cash, and we are receiving 4 slabs. The Sylveon in a 9 from Hidden Fates, Umbreon in a 9, the Alicia Sparkle in a 10, and it's actually a cool card, Iris Plasma Blast in a 9. Leffa going out for $20. There you go, my friend. Thank you.
Videos are fire, by the way.
Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, we're taking a bunch of cards from Mr. Hold on, Card Freaks.
You know it.
Yes, sir. Taking a bunch of slabs. Pikachu, some smaller cards. I mean, they're mostly cards that are under 100 bucks, but some cooler stuff. I like the colors on this card. This Meowth is actually really cool. I love the art on that one. Rainbow Charizard, Titar, Mew, love that card.
Let's go.
Let's go, brother. Giovanni's, Gyarados is sick, and the Glaceon in a 9. All right, 1050 or 1100. Ready, brother?
Yo, let's get it.
Heads, tails. Ready, bro?
Okay.
Call it in the air. Shaka. Give me heads. Yes! Goated Pulls!
No golden pools.
Yes, 1050.
Okay.
You said sequential babies? Let me see what market is. How much do you want for them?
I don't really care. I'm in them for really, really low.
You got them for like what, a couple $100 bucks? You've had them for 10 years?
No, I got into the pair for like 3.6.
Okay.
Yeah. Market was 4 on them. I offered, they got 3.6. He took it, and that was back in December.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Yeah.
I remember this was like 1,200 back then. I used to run it as a chase, and this was like 1,700.
Yeah, exactly.
This is around 3.4, and this is around 4. Market 7,400. What do you want?
What do you want? I'm not gonna negotiate against myself.
Can we do a 5,700? I think. Wait, hold on. Before I cook myself, make sure my numbers.
You said you lost a 0, 2.5.
Yeah. Can we do 5,700?
So I said do 0.6 and take the money back.
And you said you want 28 for that?
You wanted 28.
I know. You want to do 28? Is that what
I
you're
want to
saying?
do a flip.
For what?
28-3.
That's not happening.
Why? What's the best flip you want to make?
27.29.
Okay.
All right, sure. So we can do it right now.
What's listings on it?
Listing is like $5 grand.
Should I do 27, 29?
Yeah. Yeah.
Arvin, you
You're
check
just gonna
it.
ask me everything. I'm just gonna say yeah.
You offer me 28. I'm not even making that up.
You want to flip then?
I want to flip 27, 29.
Flip him 20.
What's up, dude?
Flip him 27, 29.
Okay. Ready? Heads, tails, run it. Daniel, right? All right, Daniel from Seattle. We're gonna coin flip for this Mew. Mew excellent promo. 2,700 or 2,900. What are you thinking? On the ground? Right here, right here, right here. No, wherever it lands. Might land on the table.
What are we doing?
Ready?
Make it intended right here.
No, wherever it lands.
All right, sure.
Call it. Ready? Hold on. In the air, in the air. 2,700, 2,900.
Tails.
Are you kidding me? It went in the hole. It was heads.
Golden PULLZ.
Man, that is unlucky.
Scam by your own case.
Holy shit.
Scam by your case.
It was literally heads and then it falls in. That's some Call of Duty shit. Holy. Woo! Oh my god. What's up? He scared me.
How much? Bro.
How much? I think sequential, no? This is sequential.
Bro, my higher tier.
You want to sell it or you want to buy it? I told you, but we couldn't deal yesterday.
A little bit more.
No. I talked to Jay Houston. I even offered you too high.
18, 19. I just got more. I dropped my mini seat out.
You're handsome, but I can't.
Huh?
You're handsome, but I can't.
Oh. You said 18. Trying to scam me, bro.
That was yesterday before I knew I was getting cooked.
I mean, once you get the charge level, yeah.
You cooked me, bro. You cooked me hardcore.
I think I might
Yeah, bro, you cooked me hardcore.
be.
You're so handsome, you cooked me hardcore.
I give you a good price every time.
Let me see market.
Oh, why not? Yeah. You didn't check yesterday.
Yeah, market changes every day, brother.
Check 130.
I give you a good deal, brother. I give you a good deal.
I give you the
I give you a good deal, brother.
You never give me
I give you a good deal, brother.
never give me the deal.
I always give you a good deal, brother. Anything with money is good deal. What do you want to do, bro? I don't really want them. How much for the shiny Charizard? Best price, yeah. Huh? 9.
98.
What?
98. Japanese. Yeah, it should be Clash of Blues.
8 or 98? 8,200, 9,800, flip. You want to flip? Flip, 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 flip. What?
This money.
Hey, what's up, legend? Damn, why has everyone got better Rolexes than me, bro? Am I broke?
Some
9.
guy in Dallas.
9,000.
Yeah, it's good.
Best price. Ready? Best price ready? 9,400.
Let's make it fun.
93.95. Best price. I'll do 9.4 on this. You want to do it? 9.4 on this or no?
And 9 on this.
No, no, just 9.4 on this. 9.4. 9.4 done.
At least my case is always really high end for the most part.
9.395.
They're like, they'll come to a local show and be like, oh, you're the only guy that has like all this crazy shit.
It's my last coin. I need it.
Send me up on Instagram or something. Yeah.
Yeah? All right, 93.95. Yeah? Okay, fuck it. I'm buying this.
For how much?
I need a guard though.
What?
I need a guard though.
What?
I need a guard though.
It's a make or break.
Let me keep the guard.
I'll give you a green one.
No, I have a million of those.
No, I only have one this left.
Okay, then give me this one.
No, I'm in Canada. It's hard for me to get a guard.
Okay, sure.
I'm Canadian. It's hard.
Okay, then drop the price by 50 bucks.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah?
No. If I win, you keep the guard, okay?
Fine. Okay, 93.95. Ready? All right, we're gonna coin flip for the Poncho Charizard X. Yeah, Poncho Charizard X, 9,300, 9,500. If you win, I keep the guard. If you lose, I'll give you the guard. All right? Heads, tails. You ready, bro? It's a real slab, right? It's real? From Canada?
Yes.
You dip it in poutine? Heads, tails. Ready, bro? Call it. Is it GP? All right. Is it GP? Got it! Bulls! All right, 9,300. Keep the guard. I like this stuff. Interesting. Interesting.
It's a 9.
Yeah.
No, it's a
I
6.
was gonna say I'm blind. I'm reading it as it gets worse. That's why he's putting it down.
Is this 220? What? How you doing? What's up, handsome?
She said my cops.
How was a 9 $100? A 10 was like $100. Okay. You want cash? Dinero?
Let me get out of your way. 98%. Look at my sticker.
Of my sticker. That's a lot of butterflies.
95%.
I'm not doing 95%.
You did last time?
No, I did not pay 90. I did not pay 95%. What is she talking about? I did not pay 95%.
So what percent are you paying?
I'll do 85.
The fuck? The fuck? Why would I give it to you for 85?
What?
Streams. Why would I give it to you for
You stream?
85?
This is going to be sponsored by Very Swap Sports Cards Streamline. It's going to be in the Marriott Hotel at the Marquee Bowman South.
I don't know.
Trading is going to be in the Hilton at the Pavilion Ballroom on the lower level.
I'm not paying over 90.
7 p.m. to 12 midnight. It's first come, first served.
I'll do it.
Once again,
From Rose, we are picking up Venusaur. This Mewtwo is kind of rare. Pichu in a 9. Sabrina's Gengar in a 8. Hope you guys can hear me because there's a fucking guy talking right over our head. Groudon, Pikachu. This Pichu is amazing. I love this card. Gengar is pumping, Lost Origin. Pikachu, Celebi, Venusaur, Charizard, and Mew.
Show is officially closed.
2,600. Let me pay you out.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you. Appreciate it. Cheers. What's your name?
Ivan.
Ivan. All right. So 090.
090.
All right. He wants to sell me this Zapdos in a 9. I get it either for free or I pay you $90.
Yes.
All right. With my coin.
Yeah.
All right. That's heads. That's tails.
All right.
Call it in the air. Okay. Woo.
Tails.
You got it. Oh. I got cooked, bro. Yeah. You just made $50.
Rented.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro. My bad.
Cheers. No worries.
Take yo, this yo, you just took all your Kit Kats.
Really? I'm gonna take it off the balance, bro. When I buy you ponchos. Jay Houston, say the outro.
You're gonna put those on your Instagram?
It'll be on the YouTube.
Oh yeah, hey, this is Jay Houston. What's up?
Any last words?
Buy ponchos.
What he said.